In this video, I'll show you how you can check if your drivers are up to date. Now the first thing is you want to go here and search for Device Manager. Then you want to select the driver that you want to check. So in my case, I'll just check my GPU. So I'll select the GPU, right click and go to Properties. Under Driver, I will be able to see my driver date, so I can see when it was installed. And if I press on Update Driver, search automatically, you can see it says I already have the best one installed. So that's basically how you can check the date of it, and you can also check if you have the best current installation. Now another thing you can do if you want is you can check for the software for it. So for your GPU, mouse, keyboard, headset, most of it, if it's a gaming mouse, gaming headset, gaming keyboard, they will have some kind of software for it. So if you have, let's say, a Razer mouse, you can download the Razer program. If you have a Logitech mouse, you can download the Logitech program. And as you can see, I have the Logitech one. So if you open up that one, you should also get the latest driver. Now for your GPU, you can also Google your GPU name. So mine is the NVIDIA GeForce TTX. So if I Google this and type software, it will show me the NVIDIA here. If I download that one and I go here, check for updates, I can also take the latest driver update in here. And that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.